Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on an Electrolux slide and range induction. My customer's complaint was that this unit was getting error code E15. E15 error code means that there's communication problem between the UIB and the rest of the control board. And I have the wiring diagram here. This is the main UIB board, user interface board. And if you look at it here, all the pins, this UAB is getting power from the power supply board. It gets 8 volts, 8.5 volts, 9 volts, and 16 volts in order to turn on the display here. Our power lines are coming from this transformer power supply, from this one, and it goes straight to this and those 4 wires in there, which is there. It has 5 pins. One pin is empty, there's nothing, and then there's 4 wires. You want to turn off the breaker, disconnect this wire. You're checking between pin 1 or pin 2, and you're checking the pin 4 and 5. You choose any of those pins. You will check ground. For example, we got pin 1 and 2. You will choose one of those and check the pin 4 for 8 volts DC or 8.5, and also you will check the from ground to pin number 5, which is this one, pin 4 and 5, these two. We want to make sure we have 8.5 volts to check from this pin, from this one to this 8.5 and to this 8.5. But if you check both of these pins, you want to make sure we get 16 volts, 17 volts. If you're getting power, it means our power supply boards are working. We have a bad user interface board, which is this part. I already replaced it. But the good part was when I was talking to my customer, she told me that she was getting this error code on and off, on and off. When a customer complains about getting error code on and off, it's usually the display board, and I go and my customer has with the display board in hand. So I'll do my testing there. Once I know that I'm getting power to the user interface board, I replace it on the spot. I give my customer the estimate, and that will take care of the problem. But E15 also means that if customer had a power surge, or if they hear the pop noise, or they smell something, then it also indicates that the generator housing board is defective on these units. It's almost 2 hours job. It's a very big part, expensive part. If I do all the testings here and everything looks okay, I tell my customer, I'll give my customer the estimate for the big control board, and if they decide to fix it, I'll order the part, go with the part, open the part, confirm the exact problem, and then replace it. But if I go with the part and I find that the induction generator housing board is still okay, then it means we have problem with this wire. Maybe this wire is broken, because I've seen some technicians, they work on the oven. When they put the top back together, they squish this wire between here, the bottom of the panel, the bottom of top, and here, and then that gets a small scratch here. This wire is very thin, it can break easily, and then I replace that. So far the E15 error code is fixed, and I'm sure customer is happy. If you guys have any question, please comment below. Thank you.